lights off, got some fiends, wedding ring, steal your car, do a drop, make you pay a rental fee. I'm in a spot stuck between some rocks and a fresh key. Test me, end up with a hole in your left knee. Bed fiend, ask about the hold up, so I text Steve. Beg me not to hit you again with your red teeth. The work ain't gotta hit it again with stress 3. Asked to hit my blunt, yeah, I gon' kiss this ring. Won't stash it in the trunk, it's taped under a Mazda 3. My homie take the ride, I made him chill a couple weeks. 80 proof, no chase, out the bottle, fuck you mean. Had him snorting dry while we was janky with the sleep. Bitch ignoring my call, I get it, I'm a piece of shit. Get a 2.9 on this side, you dumb bitch. Fixing to have a raffle to decide my next lick. Pissing off a balcony, off the Moet. Feel like alchemy, how my wrists make the folks spin. Drop a tab, have your hole, take me round the block bench. Stash the extra in the vent, putting pressure on some fish. I put a cigarette hole in a $1,000 jacket. Bleed the package, used to gram it out, charge extra for the mileage. Cap a vial, I'm captain of this island. Fuck a trial, do the race, end up in Ohio. Used to steal mama whipper, set the miles on the dial. What you think you running shit, couldn't walk a step in these kicks. You need oven mitts, it's too hot. Hop up out the kitchen, then you dumb bitch.
You hear me?
Motherfucker.